So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So unfortunately at this stage I'm making this afro wig, but I've lost footage of how I started this thing, so I'm gonna continue here. So let me just tell you guys what am I using. A DIY king braid. Let me show you. So this is the king braid that I'm gonna use. I just DIY. So what we're gonna do, we just twist and turn this hair piece on this wooden stick. I don't know why you call it, but this is the one. Then this is the process on how. Just be careful, I remove this. All right. So after I'm done with this, I'm going to cut the ends just like that. Let me cut it so that they do not here. Just a little bit here. I'm just gonna cut this one just a little bit. Let me be on the frame. So I'm just gonna cut this a little bit. Then you see this is how long our braid is going to be. So I use a one pack of this here piece. I'm gonna cut it into 3 sections. Just gonna put it into 3 equal sections, just like that. Let me see, just like that. Then I'll cut it here. This one, and we have our braid. This one. After that, we cut. I'll take this one. I'm just gonna loosen it a bit. Then we start. I'm gonna use this amount of hair piece, and I'm going to use this smaller crochet. Then we're gonna start this stitch. I'll make sure that my spacing are not that I'm not putting a lot of space, just very I'm not leaving any space. So I'm doing the double crochet or double hook, just like that.